Hello, everybody. Today we're going to look at rhythm patterns with 16th notes in them. Now, right here on my screen, you see a symbol with 4 dots connected by 2 bars at the top, not just 1 bar. Remember, our 8th notes, the do-day, has 1 bar at the top. 16th notes will have these 2 bars. So if you're practicing writing this, make sure you draw 2 bars for 16th notes. Our 16th notes are 4 sounds in 1 beat. Duta, data. You have to fit all 4 of those sounds in 1 beat. Let's practice a couple patterns. My turn, and then you chant it back exactly the same. Here's your beat. Do, do, duta, data, do. Duta, data, do. Duta, data, do. Do, day, duta, data, do. Very nice. Now those 16th notes do not mean go as fast as I can. Sometimes people see all those notes and they think, go fast, fast, fast. It just means to fit 4 sounds in 1 beat. So if your beat's going super fast, like yes, they would be fast, but that's because the beat is fast. You could have a beat that's super slow, and they're only gonna go do to data, do to data, do. So 16th notes do not equal speed. It just means 4 sounds, 1 beat. Let's take a look at Diddle Dumpling. Notice there are 16th notes in this chant and a rhythm that we've never seen before. We'll get to that in a little bit. So let's look at the rhythm above. Diddle, diddle, dumpling, my son John. When we chant it, I gotta notice where are my 16th notes, my do day 8th notes, and my do quarter notes. So I look at it, I put it together in my head, and it sounds like do to data, do day, do day, do. Chant it with me. Do to data, do day, do day, do. Do you see that rhythm pattern anywhere else in the chant? No. These are just 8th note and quarter note at the end. Let's try this one together. 1, 2, ready, chant. Do to data, do day, do day, do. Is it a match? You bet it is. So let's try chanting this whole bottom line. I'll have you think it in your head first, chant it, and then see if it matches. All right, think it first. Think about it. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, chant. Did your pattern sound like do day, do day, do day, do to data, do day, do day, do? If it did, pat yourself on the back. All right, so let's get back to that new note. We've never seen this kind of note before. It looks like an 8th note tied to 2 16th notes. I want you to leave your best guess. What is that rhythm going to sound like? We will go over it in the next lesson. You can leave your guess in the comments in the classroom, our Google Classroom. Thank you very much for joining me, and keep up the good work on learning these new 16th note rhythms.